Hello, what's happening guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add different type of text or tiles in our video. So let's get started. In our media section, I already added few sample video, pictures and music. To add any of them in timeline, simply click on this plus icon or drag and drop it in timeline. Alright. To add text in video, simply click on this text or credit icon. And here you see lots of different text and typography template. This time I add text or tiles. That's why I choose this tiles category. And here you see 25 different type of tiles template. To see the preview, simply double click any of these. Alright. But when you see this download icon on any of these tiles, that means you have to download this particular tiles to use this. Downloading process is very simple. Simply double click on this. Look. Our downloading is complete, and now simply double click on this to see the preview. Excellent, right? This time we add this first tile. To add this, simply drag and drop your preferred tiles in timeline. To see the preview, let's play this.
Tablets again a lot more often. So this is everything you need to know about this new item.
Excellent. To edit this text, simply double click on this. Now click the text block and change the text from here. This time I type iPad Pro. Now I click my second text and edit it and type Alright. To change the text style, simply activate any of this text block and then from drop down menu, select any of your preferred font. Now I choose my second text block and this time I select this simple one, Arial Black. Also, you can change your text size from this drop-down menu. I simply change this text size from 32 to 28. Alright. Also, you can change this animation from here. Now it is selected, up and roll. You can select any of these to change animation. Also, you can change text style from here. To change the text color, simply select your text block and from this color section, select any of your preferred color. Now I select the white one. To change this tiles position, simply click on this advanced icon and then a window will appear. Now simply move your text anywhere you want. This time I just delete this one. To delete this, simply select this line and click on this delete icon. Excellent. Now I hit on OK. Now I change this tiles position and set it here and hit on OK. Let's play this.
Hold in the hand so it's comfortable, which is good because you're going to be holding it in your hands a lot. So what is new? Well, number one is inside is a pretty
Excellent, right? In this easy way, in Filmora, we can easily add different type of text and tiles in our video clip. Thank you so much for watching.